Hello and welcome to my channel Crafting with me and Liene Jones, and today I have some beautiful floral creations just for you, but I especially want to share this wonderful product that I have been introduced to, which is absolutely perfect for crafting. Before we get started with our crafts, I wanted to introduce you to the Liene Amber Series Instant Photo Printers. Now, I've had photo printers in the past, but it's been a while, and I was very curious to find out about the quality of the print once it's done. Now, if you've ever printed anything on paper or even on photo paper on a regular printer, it doesn't have the quality of a photo printer. Now, this photo printer prints on 4x6 photo quality paper, and it is so compact and small and perfect for a very crowded craft room, as you all know I have. But I feel that this is really going to elevate the level of my crafting, and especially for any of you who do any kind of scrapbooking or paper crafting, this is going to be a game changer, simply because it is so small. It is very portable. You can take it with you anywhere, and it's incredibly versatile. You can print from your phone on Wi-Fi. You can print it from another, from a computer if you'd like. You can connect by USB, but it's incredibly versatile as to how you can print your photos. Now, again, you can edit your photos anywhere you'd like. I actually found a photo on FreePix, and I really went out of my way to find a difficult photo for this to print. As you can see, setup is incredibly fast, and I even have my quality control cat to make sure that everything is set and ready to go for our first print. Being this is my first time using the photo printer, I wanted to make sure that I connected my phone correctly to the photo printer. And as you can see, it is very easy. And as I mentioned before, I wanted to find a very difficult photo to print. And I thought this one, with all the colors and shades, I thought this was going to stump the printer. But watch and see. Using my Android phone, all I did was connect to the printer through Wi-Fi. And here is the photo that I selected. Look at all of those bright, brilliant colors with all those dark shades. Let's see what the printer can do. Now, what's interesting about this printer, it is a 4-pass printer, and you can watch on your screen as you see the colors being imprinted into the photo paper one at a time. Yellow, reds, blues, and finally all the shadings. Also, the printing is taking place real time, so you can see how incredibly fast and how precise this printer actually works. Now, if you want to find out more information, I have everything included in my description, including a special discount to all of my viewers. Again, if you are into paper crafting, I can't imagine anything better to have on hand. And it doesn't take a lot of space, and you can take it with you everywhere. So you can be printing even while you're on vacation. So I suggest that you take a look at these Liene photo printers and take advantage of the discounts that I have for you, and stay tuned so you can see what I create with this beautiful print. Thank you, Liene, for sponsoring this video.